Homeowners in Metairie know how challenging the local climate can be. Hot, humid summers and fluctuating temperatures throughout the year make energy efficiency a top priority for any home improvement project. One upgrade that consistently delivers noticeable comfort and savings is installing casement windows. Designed for performance as much as style, casement windows offer exceptional energy efficiency benefits that make them an ideal choice for Metairie residences. Casement windows are hinged on the side and open outward, typically using a crank mechanism. While this design may seem simple, it plays a major role in how well these windows help regulate indoor temperatures and reduce energy costs. Superior air sealing for lower energy bills. One of the biggest energy efficiency advantages of casement windows is their tight seal. When closed, the window sash presses firmly against the frame, creating a compression seal that significantly reduces air leakage. Unlike sliding or double-hung windows, which rely on overlapping tracks, casement windows minimize gaps where air can escape. For Metairie homeowners, this means less cool air leaking out during summer and less warm air escaping during cooler months. As a result, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, leading to lower energy bills and reduced wear on your system. Better natural ventilation and cooling. Casement windows don't just keep unwanted air out, they also excel at letting fresh air in. Because they open outward like a door, they can catch breezes more effectively than many other window styles. This allows homeowners to take advantage of natural ventilation during milder weather, reducing the need for air conditioning. In Metairie, where evenings and early mornings can be more comfortable, opening casement windows can help cool your home naturally. Improved airflow means less reliance on mechanical cooling and more opportunities to save energy throughout the year. Enhanced performance with energy-efficient glassed modern casement windows are often paired with advanced glass options that further improve energy efficiency. Double or triple pane glass, combined with insulating gas fills and low emissivity, low-E coatings, helps block heat transfer while still allowing natural light into your home. For Metairie residences exposed to intense sunlight, these glass features help keep indoor spaces cooler by reflecting heat away from the home. At the same time, they protect interiors from UV damage, preserving furniture, flooring, and decor while maintaining consistent indoor comfort. Reduced humidity and improved indoor comfort. High humidity is a common concern for Metairie homeowners. Casement windows help address this issue by limiting unwanted air infiltration, which can carry moisture into the home. A tighter seal means better control over indoor humidity levels, creating a more comfortable living environment. By keeping excess moisture out, casement windows can also help reduce the strain on dehumidifiers and air conditioning systems. This not only improves comfort but also contributes to long-term energy savings and better indoor air quality. Long-term savings and home value. Energy-efficient upgrades are an investment, and casement windows deliver strong long-term value. Lower monthly energy bills, improved comfort, and reduced maintenance costs all add up over time. Additionally, energy-efficient windows are highly attractive to potential buyers, increasing the overall value and appeal of your Metairie home. Many homeowners also appreciate the durability of casement windows. Their simple design and secure closing mechanism help maintain performance over the years, ensuring continued energy efficiency with proper care. A smart choice for Metairie homes. For homeowners looking to improve comfort, reduce energy costs, and enhance the overall efficiency of their residence, casement windows offer a powerful solution. Their tight seal, excellent ventilation, and compatibility with modern energy-saving glass make them especially well-suited for the Metairie climate. Choosing casement windows isn't just about upgrading your home's appearance, it's about creating a more comfortable, efficient, and cost-effective living space you can enjoy year-round.